school, the smart school, ये मेरा school है.
Yeah, students, we were discussing about blonde. What is blonde? It's pale golden brown color. As we used to notice, the British people, they have fair complexion, but a white सा color होता है उनका, ठीक है. And they also have golden brown hair. उनके fair यानी कि golden brown hair होते हैं. That was the same was the complexion of now Mrs. Solpen Jago now, and Bertie didn't know about this change. ठीक है. That's why Phillips otherwise thought that he is telling a lie. And that was the reason. This was a misconception between these two person. That was the reason that Miss Phillips Otherby didn't help Bertie, and he didn't give him 3 quids. The train moved on, leaving the so-called son of Solp and Jago family cursing furiously on the platform. ठीक है. The train started its journey. The train moved on, leaving the so-called son of Solp and Jago family cursing furiously on the platform. ट्रेन जो है अपना सफ़र अगेन स्टार्ट कर लेती है, ठीक है. उस बर्टी को या सोल्पैन जागो के उस बेटे को, जो अपने आप को सोल्पैन जागो का बेटा कह रहा था, उसको फ्यूरियसली कर्सिंग यानी कि बहुत गुस्से में बोलते हुए वहाँ छोड़कर ट्रेन जो है नेक्स्ट मूव कर जाती है. यू ऑल्सो कैन सी बर्टी हियर दैट ही इज़ angry, and he is saying something loudly. Well, he hasn't opened his fishing expedition by catching a flat checkered slatherby. Well, in his discussion, he hasn't opened his fishing expedition. उसने अभी fishing expedition के बारे में बात नहीं की थी. As he caught a flat or direct ironic laugh by Slatherby. As he noticed that Flip Slatherby is laughing by listening his discussion, ठीक है. He noticed that he is laughing ironically. उसने नोटिस किया कि वो तंजिया तरीके से उस पर मुस्कुरा रहा है. एंड वी नो द रीज़न दैट he was actually laughing in this way, as he noticed that he is telling a lie. इसलिए इस तरह वो तंजिया वे में उस पर हंस रहा था, ठीक है. He would have an entertaining story to recount at dinner that evening, and his clever little trap would earn him applause as a man of resource and astuteness. Now Flip Slatherby had a story to tell at the dinner that evening, ठीक है. And he was also appreciating the boy for waving a trap in such brilliant way, and he was saying that he is a man of resource and astuteness, that he is really a brilliant and clever person, ठीक है. Flip Slatherby was now saying that that Bertie is really a clever person, ठीक है. He was still telling his adventure in imagination to an attentive audience of dinner guests when the train drove up at his destination, ठीक है. Now Flip Slatherby is thinking about this thing that in his imagination he is thinking that he is present in the dinner room, and he is dining at the table, and he is telling the story to the audience, ठीक है. When suddenly the train stops, and because it is the destination of Flip Slatherby, so on the platform he was greeted sedately by a tall footman and noisily by a cloud people, an important lawyer who had apparently travelled down by the same train, ठीक है. On the platform, he was welcomed calmly by a tall footman, ठीक है. And there was a tall man who welcomed Flip Slatherby, and a noisy cloud people, an important lawyer who seemed traveled by the same train. They both welcomed Flip Slatherby here, ठीक है. Let's see how they welcome to Flip Slatherby. They say, "Hello, Slatherby. You spending the weekend at Brill? Good, excellent. We shall have a round of golf together tomorrow. Ah, here we are. Here's the car waiting for us, and very nice too." ठीक है. They said, "Hello, Slatherby." Uh, they are asking him that he is spending his weekend at Brill. Good, it's very excellent. Tomorrow we shall play a game. Golf is a game, students. It's a ball game, ठीक है, which is playing by a ball. He said that tomorrow we shall play a game. And here during the discussion he says that there is a car, and it's a very nice car which is waiting for them. The car which won Claude People's approval was a sumptuous looking vehicle which seemed to embody the last word in elegance, comfort, and locomotive power. Yes, in this paragraph, actually, he is talking about, the writer is talking about car. He is representing the car, that the car which was waiting for them was really sumptuous, meaning a splendid looking vehicle. It was a vehicle which was so much graceful, which seemed to represent the last word of Claude people. As the Claude people say that the lawyer said that it's very nice too. ठीक है. So the car was a representative of these words. The car really was too much graceful, too much comfortable, and it looked that it has a power of a train. ठीक है. Its graceful lines and symmetrical design mask the fact that it was an enormous wheeled structure combining the features of a hotel lounge and an engine room. ठीक है. Now he is talking about the structure of the car, that it looked like it had enormous wheeled structure, and it looked like a hotel lounge and engine room. ठीक है. Different so we can say that it was so much comfortable, so much graceful car. ठीक है. Let's move toward the next paragraph. This is also defining the car. Different sort of vehicle to the horse-drawn carriage in which our grandfather used to travel. uh, Now he is saying that it is really different from those horse-drawn carriage which our grandfather used to travel. ठीक है. Mean to say he is saying that वो जो हॉर्स ड्रॉन कैरियज जिन्हें हम बग्गी कहते हैं, वो भी बड़ी आला और शानदार सवारी थी, लेकिन दिस कार इज़ टू मच डिफरेंट फ्रॉम एंड टू मच ग्रेसफुल फ्रॉम दोज हॉर्स ड्रॉन कैरियजेस. ठीक है. Exclaimed the lawyer appreciatively. Now he is appreciating the structure and the grace of the car. And for Slatherby's benefit, he began running over the chief points of perfection in the fitting and mechanism of the car. Now he is also talking about the symmetry, about the structure and perfection of and the fitting of the car. ठीक है. Let's move toward the next paragraph, students. Slatherby heard not a single word, noted not one of the details that were being expounded to him. Slatherby heard not a single word. वो उसकी किसी बात को नहीं सुनता. ठीक है ना. इवन के वो नोट भी नहीं करता किस किस्म की डिटेल जो है वो उसको नोटेड नोट इवन ऑफ द डिटेल्स दैट वर एक्सप्लेन टू हिम. वो जो डिटेल्स उसके सामने एक्सप्लेन करते हैं ना, कार की सिमेट्री, उसकी फिटिंग, उसकी मैकेनिज़्म, उसके स्ट्रक्चर, उसके व्हील्स के बारे में, वो इसके बारे में कुछ भी नोटिस नहीं करता. बट हीज़ आइज़ वर फिक्स्ड ऑन समथिंग एल्स. हीज़ आइज़ वर फिक्स्ड ऑन द डोर पैनल. उसकी आइज़ तो डोर पैनल्स यानी डोर के फ्रेम पर फिक्स थी. ऑन विच वर डिस्प्लेड टू क्रेस्ट्स, जिसके ऊपर दो क्रेस्ट्स यानी दो स्टैम्प्स जो हैं वो बनी हुई थी. अ रनिंग ग्रे हाउंड एंड अ डेमी लाइन होल्डिंग इन इट्स पा अक्रॉस क्रॉसलेट. यहाँ पर डोर पैनल पर दो क्रेस्ट जो हैं, दो स्टैम्प्स रिप्रेजेंट की गई थी. उसमें वो दोनों वही थी जो बर्टी ने डिस्कस की थी उसके साथ. Now he is surprised by looking at this, and he is thinking about his future as well. He is thinking about the situation. You also can say that he is too much upset now. ठीक है. Let's move toward the next paragraph. Claude People was not the sort of man to notice an absorbed silence on the part of a companion. Claude People or lawyer जिसे हम कहते हैं, he was a man who never noticed that what type of silence is there on the part of the companion, कि उसका companion खामोश क्यों बैठा है. उसने इस चीज़ को but not noticed and absorbed silence, कि वो इतना खामोश क्यों है. ठीक है. उसने इस बात को, वो इस किस्म का आदमी नहीं था कि वो इस चीज़ को नोटिस करता. वो तो बस खुद ही बोलता रहता था. He had been silent himself for nearly an hour in the train. वो तकरीबन 1 घंटा तक जो है ट्रेन में चुप रहा था. ठीक है. अब तो उसको बोलना चाहिए था, बट क्लाउड पीपल वॉज अ टॉकेटिव पर्सन. he told a lot of incidents, and he talks about He talked about many things, and his tongue was making up for lost times. ठीक है? Okay. um, Political gossip, personal anecdote, and general observation flowed from him in an uninterrupted stream as the car sped along the country roads. The cloudman was talking a lot. ठीक है? He was discussing about politics. He was telling him his personal incidents and general observation. A lot of things were discussed by the cloudman when the car was moving alongside the country roads. ठीक है? Alongside the roads of the village. Just as the car turned in at the Brill entrance gates, Cloud people captured Sadrbai's attention by switching his remarks to the personality of their hostess. ठीक है? As the car turned toward the Brill Manor, the Flip Sadrbai caught the Cloud people caught the attention of Flip Sadrbai. अचानक से फ्लिप सदरबाई जो है वो क्लोड पीपल की बात पर अटेंशन देता है when he was talking about the personality of the hostess, when he was talking about Salt and Jago. ठीक है? Brilliant woman. Cloud people says that he was a brilliant woman. ठीक है? He is a brilliant woman. Brilliant woman, level-headed, a clear thinker, knows exactly when to take up an individual or a cause, exactly when to let him or it drop. ठीक है? Influential woman, I won't dare upset her, but too restless, no repose, good appearance, true, till she made that idiotic change. ठीक है? Now he is defining the personality of Salt Penchaco. He is saying that she is a brilliant woman. She is too much intelligent. She is level headed. She is too much powerful, too much strong. ठीक है? She has clear thinking. She has clear imagination. She knows when to take an individual and when to drop it. ठीक है? And what is the cause to, and she also knows very well why she is taking a person and why she is dropping it. She is a popular lady. She is important, influential lady. I don't dare upset her, but too restless. He says that I wouldn't dare upset her. मैंने उनको कभी भी जो है वो उनको तंग करने की या उनको परेशान करने की कोशिश नहीं की, ज़रूरत नहीं की, बट टू रेस्टलेस, लेकिन मैं बहुत बेचैन हूँ. नो रिपोज मीन टू से आई एम नॉट कम्फर्टेबल, आई एम नॉट फीलिंग ईजी. गुड अपेयरेंस टू, दो शी हैड गुड अपेयरेंस, उनकी अपेयरेंस बहुत अच्छी थी. टिल शी मेड दैट इडियोटिक चेंज, लेकिन उन्होंने फिर भी फुलिश टाइप का जो है चेंज वो लेकर आई हैं अपनी पर्सनैलिटी में, जिससे मुझे वो थोड़ी ना अनवाइज लगी हैं. शी इज़ नॉट लुकिंग वाइज नाउ टू मी ड्यू टू दिस चेंज. ठीक है? रिगार्डिंग दिस चेंज आई एम सेइंग दैट आई एम थिंकिंग दैट शी हैड टेकन दिस इडियोटिक स्टेप. शी हैड टेक अ स्टेप विच इज़ इडियोटिक. ठीक है? चेंज, क्वाइट स्लेदर बाय. चेंज, कौन सा चेंज? ही आस्क्ड. what type of change? What change? What change? You don't mean to say? Oh, of course, you have only known her just lately. You don't mean to say? Oh, यानी आपको समझ नहीं आई. ठीक है ना? मीन टू से आप उनको काफ़ी देर से जानते हो. ठीक है? सॉरी, काफ़ी देर से नहीं, अभी रिसेंटली आप उनसे मिले हो. ठीक है? जस्ट लेटली यानी थोड़ी देर पहले आप उनसे मिले हैं मेरे ख्याल में. फिर शी यूज टू हैव ब्यूटिफुल डार्क ब्राउन हेयर which went very well with her fresh complexion. Then one day, about 5 weeks ago, she electrified everybody by appearing as a brilliant blonde, quite ruined her looks. Here we are. I say, what's the matter with you? You look rather ill. Now he is telling to the Cloud people, the lawyer is telling to Slatherby about the personality of Mrs. Alpenjago. He is saying that she used to have beautiful dark brown hair, which went very well with her fair complexion. कि उनके बहुत डार्क ब्राउन हेयर थे, बड़े ब्यूटीफुल थे. ठीक है? जो उनके फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन के साथ बहुत अच्छे लगते थे. बट वन डे क्या हुआ, अबाउट 5 वीक्स अगो, तकरीबन 5 हफ्ते पहले उन्होंने, शी इलेक्ट्रीफाइड एवरीबॉडी, शी सरप्राइज एवरीबॉडी बाय अपेयरिंग एज अ ब्रिलियंट ब्लॉन्ड, ठीक है, बिल्कुल ही ब्लॉन्ड, यानी कि फेयर कॉम्प्लेक्शन और ब्राउन, पेल ब्राउन हेयर के साथ जब वो अपेयर हुई तो उन्होंने हर एक को सरप्राइज कर दिया, ठीक है। क्वाइट रूइंड हर लुक्स, उन्होंने अपनी लुक्स को बिल्कुल ही रूइन, मीन टू से तबाह कर दिया। हेयर वी आर, आई से, ओके, यानी हम यहाँ पहुँच चुके हैं। हेयर वी आर, आई से, व्हाट्स द मैटर विद यू, आपके साथ क्या प्रॉब्लम है। यू लुक रादर इल, आप मुझे, यू आर नॉट लुकिंग फाइन टू मी, आप मुझे बिल्कुल ठीक नज़र नहीं आ रहे हैं, आप मुझे थोड़ा सा यानी कि अपसेट लग रहे हैं, ठीक है ना। दिस इज़ आर लास्ट पैराग्राफ स्टूडेंट्स from page number 9, and I enjoyed the short story a lot, and I hope you also enjoyed it. This was a misconception between regarding her hair color. The misconception was the color of the hair, regarding the hair color, and this ruined everything, ठीक है। एज इफ़ देयर, अगर हम सोचते हैं द बर्टी विल बी देयर ऑन मंडे, then he will recognize Phipps Ratherby and he will tell his mother that this is a person who didn't help him. Then there is no chance for Phipps Ratherby to become the member of parliament. This is our story. I enjoyed a lot and I hope you also enjoyed it. You also will enjoy it, inshallah.